Today we'll be changing this old pressure switch on this 2003 Buick Century. See how it's leaking out? That's why we're replacing it. Alright, now we'll just take it off. And there's your old one. Now this here is from Chevy. This is the part number. I'll try and find a link and link it in the description. I'll also link the socket. New part. That white stuff, that's thread sealer. I mean, you can add more if you want to, but I'm not going to. And by the way, the socket that I used is 1 inch or 1 1/16", whichever. There's like 2 stages in there. Got the smaller end, then further down you get the bigger one. There we go. Jeez, pain in the butt. Alright, now that feels good and tight. That's it. Like I said, just getting the thing lined back up is the pain. And of course, hit the connector there. Where are you? Hit this with some brake cleaner or something. Get all the oil out of there. I hit that connector right there with some brake clean. Hook it back up. Start it up. Make sure no leaks. And call it a day. There we go. Start her up. Hopefully it won't leak. And the final check.